as many people know, the recent hurricanes, Florence and Matthew in particular, have flooded our homeland and in some ways restored the boundaries between water and land to what they were maybe 200 or 300 years ago. So recent events have made me look at our landscape in a completely different way.
Often.
Um,
So we see the sea from the fringe of the land and water that we call the shore. So estuaries, near shore, foreshore, backshore, those are dynamic, changeable zones. They change according to the rhythms of the tide, in extremis, during surges and storms, and then they change cumulatively over time, the kind of timelines that Malinda was talking about. So, in the late Anthropocene, the fringe is going to become, perhaps even more than in the past, a principal zone in which the imaginaries of land and water are conjoined. And I'm interested in the shore in that regard.
One thing that has given me great satisfaction when I come up for air out of the archives, when I've put together my material, I take no greater satisfaction than going out and talking to community groups. I've given hundreds of talks to community groups about my work and then listen to their feedback, listen to their comments, and they help me understand the failings of my work, where the next set of research questions are, and in many cases, we find collaborators in those communities who can then help us do that. And that's really the motivation behind this Atlas of Meaning.
You know, what my grandparents imagined for their future is that their descendants, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and on, would still be here and would be conceptualizing a future. So the legacy, I think, that I would hope we could leave behind would be, yes, that same sense of a future worth contemplating.